Jai Hind sir, so this is Shukunj Vagwala Bursat, English Medium Standard 4th Subject Maths. As you all know that we are still going on with the chapter number 12, How Heavy, How Light. In this chapter we had seen that how we can measure the weight for big and heavy things, right, using the simple balance. Is it? Let's see here now the addition and subtraction both together in the form of simplify the following. Number 1, 5 kilograms 780 grams plus 3 kilograms 925 grams. If you will see here that addition sign is simply given to you in the question, right? So you can do add is directly. If you will see here that addition sign is directly given to you, right? So you can do the addition sum directly by making two columns, okay? But if you will notice here in the number 2, 7 kilograms 65 grams and 18 kilograms 905 grams. In between here it is written and, okay? Instead of that it can be given to you another keyword also of addition. So like this, if it is given, then you have to do always addition when the word is there in between a and the and at that time. A for and, a and the and, right? Here the starting word is a, means addition only you have to do. Okay, let's solve number 1. First we will make two columns of kilogram and gram. Here it's 5 kilograms, so 5 we will write under kilogram, 3. But 5 kilograms 780 grams, so 780 will be written under grams column, plus sign, 3 925. Zero plus 5 is 5. 8 plus 2 10. 0 down, 1 carry goes over here. Okay. 9 plus 1 10. 10 plus 7 17. So here 7 will come, 1 carry will continue towards kilogram side. Okay. 5 plus 1 6 plus 3 9. So answer is 9 kilogram 705 grams. This is your answer. Okay. Let's move towards number 2. 7 kilograms means first we need to write it kilogram and gram columns as we had done in chapter long and short, and another chapter was jogs and words. In that also we had learned this kind of additions and subtraction sums, if you all remember that. Let's add it here. 7 kilogram 65 grams. Okay, 65 grams. Here if you will notice then only 2 digits are there, means tens and units only. 100 place is not given and here 100 place is given. So how you have to write, pay attention very carefully. First of all, plus sign here, 18. 8 will be under 7 and 1 will be over here. Means you have to move from right towards left. Okay. 905. So 5, this both 5 are at unit place. We will write like that. Under 6 what will come? 0. And 9 will be separated here. One thing, notice that above 9 nothing is there, right? So you have to write it in this way only. 5 plus 5 10, 1 carry, 1 plus 6 plus 0 7, 9 here as it is, 8 plus 7 or 7 plus 8 it is 15. So 5 down, 1 carry goes up. 1 plus 1 2. So the answer is 25 kilograms 970 grams. Okay, clear? Let's move towards other few sums. Let's see number 3. 10 kilograms 203 grams minus 6 kilogram 925 grams. Here the minus sign is given to us, so we have to do here subtraction sum, right? So first we need to write in the columns as we did in first and second sum. 10 203 minus sign 6. So where we will write 6? We will write 6 under 0 here. 925 Okay, 3 minus 5. We all know that 3 minus 5 is not possible. So we will take 1/10 from the 0 and we will write it with 3. It will become 13, right? 13 minus 5. 13 minus 5, 8. Okay. 0. It was not there here anything. So 0 had taken from this 2, right? So here we will have 9. Why 9? Because 1/10 is already given here. So it remains here 9 now. 9 minus 2, 7. From these two, we had given this 1/10 to 0 and 3, right? So here it remains 1. 1 minus 9, again it's not possible. So we have to do the cut bar work, continue. We write it here 11. Okay, then here 0 it is there. So as we have done here, it will come 9 here. And this cut and 0, write down 11 minus 9, 2. 9 minus 6, 3, and here it is 0 as it is. So we can say that answer is 3 kilogram 278 grams. Okay, now I am confused that does my answer is correct or not. Many times you feel like that in subtraction. Okay, so what you have to do here is you have to check your answer. How you will check? You have to add the smallest digit number of the smallest number of question which is given written downside and the answer which you got from the subtraction, that both number you have to add. Okay, 5 plus 8, 8 is there, let's count 5 more, you will get 13. So 3 is there, 1 carry comes here, right? So 1 carry comes here. 1 plus 7 plus 2, 10. So 0 is here, 1 carry comes here, right? 1 plus 9, 10 plus 2, 12. 2 is here, 1 carry goes here. 6 plus 3 plus 1, 10. It is already written, right? So we can say that our answer is correct. Okay, in this way you also can check at your home your answers. Fine. Before you send me your worksheets, today's worksheet, you have to check your answers of subtraction first of all on your own like this, and then you have to send me. Okay, let's move towards our fourth number. 730 grams from 2 kilograms 955 grams. Okay, if you will notice here, kilogram is not given in the starting. How we will subtract? If you will compare the both numbers, here the first number is this much and another one is here. Okay, if you will compare both the numbers, then 2 kilograms and 655 grams is more than 730 grams. Okay, so first we have to write is in the subtraction, which what we learned, that first we need to write biggest number. So the biggest or largest number is 2 kilogram 655 grams. Okay, right? Then minus sign. Whenever the word from is given, in question, then after this from, whichever the number is there, you have to write it upper side. As I said you that it will be the biggest number. Okay, now 730 grams. So that we will write here 730 grams. 5 minus 0, 5. 5 minus 3, 2. Okay. Now 6 minus 7, it's not possible. What you will do? Cut borrow work, right? Take 10s, 1/10 from this 2, add with this 6, it will become 16. 16 minus 7, 9. What remains here? 1, is it? So we will write it here 1 and downside also 1. Why? Because under downside for the subtraction another number is not given to you under 2, right? So we have here 1 when we had cancelled this 2. So we got 1, we wrote 1. Now let's check the answer, that does it is correct or not. 0 plus 5, 5. 3 plus 2, 5. 7 plus 9, 16. 6 is there, 1 carry goes here. 1 plus 1, 2. So our answer we can say that it is correct, right? So answer is 1 kilogram 925 grams. Okay, let's move towards our another few sums. Let's calculate number 5 here. 20 kilograms and 18 kilograms 965 grams. right? So first we need to write these two column of kilogram and gram, then 20. Here and is there, so what will come? Plus, right? But if you will notice, then with 20 kilograms, not a single number is there of grams. Okay, grams is not given, so we will write only 20 here. Then adds 18 kilogram, 965 here. 965 we will write it here as it is only. Why? Because with 20 not grams are not given. Okay, 0 plus 8 8, 2 plus 1 3. So answer is 38 kilogram 965 grams. Okay, let's move towards number 6. 16 kilogram 758 grams from 24 kilograms. Here also same as like that, but 24 kilogram is more compared to the 16 kilogram 785 grams, right? So that we have to write it first. Okay, 24 here. One thing if you will notice, that here we have not written anything, right? But when you are doing the subtraction, you have to write zeros to calculate it, otherwise your sum will be wrong. Here also you can write zeros and you can continue your addition work, but you will get the same, but in subtraction you will not get same. Okay, and just because of that you will get wrong answer. So let's solve it. How to do? 24 kilogram minus 16 kilogram 758 grams. Okay, we all know that grams are not given with 24 kilogram. So what we will do here, we will write zeros. To get the correct answer of subtraction, we have to write zeros whenever the grams or kilogram is not given to you. If it is not given kilograms of 100 place, then you have to write 0 over there. Okay, like that. Now 0 minus 8, it's not possible. So what you have to do is 0 cut, write 10. From this 0 we had taken, right, 10 minus 8, 2. We know that here it is 0. So we are unable to take from this both the zeros. We have to go towards 4 only. So here it is 3. And here 9. 9 minus 5, 4. 9 minus 7, 2. 3 minus 6, it's not possible, right? Why? Because 3 is smaller than 6. So we will cut this 2 and we will write here 1 to make it 13. 13 minus 6, here it is 7. 2 we had taken from 2 tens, 1 here we had taken, so here it remains 1. 1 minus 1, 0. Answer we will write later on. First let's check answer, that does the subtraction answer is right or wrong. 8 plus 2, 10, 0 is there, 1 carry comes here. 1 plus 4, 5, 5 plus 5, 10, so 0 it is there, 1 carry comes here. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 7, 10, 0 is there, 1 carry comes here. 1 plus 7, 8, 8 plus 6, 14, 4 is there, 1 carry comes here. 1 plus 0 plus 1, 2, 2 it is already here, right? So you can say that 24 kilograms we got the correct answer, right? So let's write here answer, that 7 kilograms 242 grams. That's your answer. Okay, I hope that now this simplify of kilograms and grams regarding weight or mass, it is clear for you. You have to do your worksheet and you have to check your subtractions answer before you send me. Okay, thank you.